And when I find folks that don't care, I want to be like them, amen? Because, I mean, somebody got to say something. Did you see what was going on? Have you looked? Have you turned on the TV to the so-called Christian station? I mean, are you seeing what? I mean, maybe only my TV get them channels. Folk have gone. Oh, I got so much to talk about, and y'all, we're gonna do a part 3 too, ain't we? Okay, because I got some stuff in reserve. I mean, folk gone crazy, and folks have gone. I'm talking about Christian folk, supposed to be Christ-like folk. That's it. Yeah, we was building a website, and God convicted me and made me stop. We was calling it Saints Gone Wild. But I was in the flesh, and God made me stop. He said, okay, you're going to get shot. You better leave that alone, Doc. I didn't ordain that. So you got to know, hey, you got to know when it's God. We was getting it ready. God said, don't do it. I said, hey, don't do that, bro. And we pulled a plug on that. But the Saints is going wild now. Now, don't get me wrong. We didn't stop for that reason. Folks have just started doing anything and calling it God. Got God looking bad. Just, I love God. I love Jesus. I love him. I really love him. And I want him to look the best way he can. Because, I mean, honestly, I want to see folks. Let me tell you something. Most of the stuff that's going on now, most of the stuff they're doing, folks just didn't stop inviting the Holy Ghost to stuff. He don't even get no ticket. He said, we're just going to do it without your Holy Ghost, You'd be like, all right. I mean, the Holy Ghost ain't invited to stuff no more. Folk come get saved, go back sin just like they was doing before they came. Because the Holy Ghost ain't invited. I'll be looking for them old mothers. I grew up in a church where it was like old mothers, Some mothers, you don't even know where they came from. They just appeared in the aisle. And you get up doing some foolishness, they just come down to the aisle and take the mic from you. Y'all don't remember them days? Little sissy get up and get in the mic acting all nasty. Mother say, brother, you ain't doing that in here. Come on now. No. You need to sit down. You need to get saved. You need to get saved. And they used to tell you when you wasn't. Oh, brother, no, you ain't saved. No, you ain't saved. Because, they had the spirit of discernment. See, don't nobody want to deal with the spirit of discernment no more. The big time preachers, they don't want to fool with it because then you might discern them. So don't nobody want the spirit of discernment. Now the spirit of discernment, see, they done changed the name. Now they call it judging. They tell me all the time, you can't do that. You judging. You judge. And I say, yes, I am. Yes, I'm judging. Yes, I am. Yes, I'm judging. Yeah, if you come in here with it, yes, it's going to get judged. Because the Bible said, don't we judge those that are within? Now, we don't judge the world. It's not time to judge the world. We don't judge them. That's what Jesus said. Judge not that ye shall not be judged. He was talking to the world. But Paul came back in Corinthians and said, we judge those. Matter of fact, he said that immoral man, put him out the church. See, and everybody's like, put him out? Ain't he supposed to be in the church? No, he ain't supposed to be in there if he going to keep acting up. The Bible is the only way. I still believe Jesus is the only way. I'm tired of folk preaching 2-3 hour messages and ain't never saying the word Jesus. I'm like, what are you talking about? You done preached 2 hours and ain't said Jesus. What you talking about? I'm trying to figure out how a Christian can make a non-Christian film. Ain't that like an oxymoron? Don't you just cancel yourself out? What? How you a Christian and make a non-Christian film with cussing in it? I mean, some stuff just make. And look at everybody. Hey. Now you know me. Look at somebody and say, somebody. Look at somebody else and say, somebody. You know, I just believe Christians don't cuss. I mean, am I that old-fashioned? Brother Marlon, am I that old-fashioned? I mean, I just don't believe Christians. I mean, come on. You can make me as mad as you want, and a cuss word just ain't gonna come out of G-Cred. I don't understand the cuss. And now they cussing in their messages because they think it's cute. You know, they taking hell and damn all out of context because they think it's cute. I'm gonna put a little sauce on this, and I'm gonna cuss a little bit, you know, and I'm gonna, you know. Look at somebody and say, holiness or hell. You know, everybody, you know, they want to make Jesus weak and he just so he don't care, you know, Jesus just be walking around with his head down. He don't really care. He's so sweet. And they ain't read Revelations. They ain't read the part where Jesus had eyes of flaming fire. Why was his eyes flaming like fire? Because he was mad. He was throwing some folk in hell. Y'all, I mean, some of the stuff that happens, I'm sitting back. I know the Bible. I know the word. But I know some of y'all got to know more than they giving you credit for. You got to know that some of this stuff just ain't God. You know, I mean, I consecrated before God. I say, God, you know, whatever you don't want me to say, I'm just not going to say it. Because I'm just not like that. God said, boy, you don't tell it, somebody's going to tell it. I need a voice in the middle of this mess. I don't even want to take my son to hear some of these preachers. I don't want the spirit of sissification to get on. Just a sissy. Then they think you don't know. Somebody operating in discernment. Somebody is. I know it ain't just me. I can look at this crowd and tell somebody done seen something. Okay, here we go. I just got up doing it, didn't I? We might have to cut this and add it to the end. Came out too, but I'm telling y'all, somebody just needs to tell the truth. That's all I'm saying. I mean, really, I'm tired of holding it. I'm just tired of making excuses. I mean, somebody, you know, just like the Bible said, like Paul said, just no more lies. I mean, come on, the lies ain't helping nobody. I mean, people are really hurting. People are going home to broken homes. People are really hurting. And these folk worried about money, charging for everything. You got to pay to get on some of these Christians' church websites. Got to become a member and a partner.